greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. And maybe Happy New Year. I don't really care that much about New Year's myself. Probably I'll be in bed by 9, so yeah, New Year's. In fact, I gotta work New Year's Eve, so yeah, so just a quick vid. Have a great day. No shout out video tomorrow because of Christmas. And I had a Santa hat, but I can't seem to find the damn thing. So, oh well. Anyway, have a good one. Enjoy your day. And we'll catch you on the next one, which will be Cast Iron Wednesday, which I'm actually going to film tonight. So, peace.